Class 158, Absolute Encoder. In the last class, we had studied relative or incremental encoder. In your syllabus, it is not mentioned whether you have to study both or which one. Here there are two types, absolute encoder and relative encoder. Relative and absolute. Relative means incremental, means position of shaft is determined or calculated, okay, say with respect to some reference. See, z is there. With respect to this reference, we are incrementing, say 5 degree, 10 degree, 20 degree. So relative means incremental. But in case of absolute encoder, we have unique pattern for each position, unique code. Here there is no unique code. It repeats, you see, 0 0, okay, AB 0 0 0 1 1 1 1 0. Again it repeats. In a single rotation, you have 8 similar patterns, 8 similar codes. You see, 0 1 0 1 1 0 1. Okay, you can see here. Now this is 1 0. Okay, the same thing gets repeated here again. 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0 1 0. So in a rotation, the same code gets repeated according to number of similar patterns. But here, okay, this is same as the same thing. But in absolute encoder, there is no repetition. See, each position has unique code 0 to 15 means 16 codes. Here we have 4 tracks. If we have 2 tracks, we will have 4 patterns. 16 tracks 0 0 0 0 to 1 1 1 1. Here black is assumed to be 1. In this white is assumed to be 1. Okay. So here position is determined by the code itself. There is no need of Z here. But here you need 4 sensors. Number of sensors will be equal to number of tracks. Here you need only 1 or maximum 2 tracks and a synchronizing signal. There is no need of more than 2 or 3. Here to get higher resolution you need more number of sensors. Here to get higher resolution means small incremental steps. You need to make this pattern as close. 8 patterns. You will have to make here 16, like what we have done here. 16. Make it 32. You can get small increments. Okay. But here you need to increase number of tracks, hence number of sensors will be more. Here to measure speed, you can take output of any one sensor. If you take output of this sensor, See, this sensor will give 8 pulses per second. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 pulses per rotation, not second, rotation. In one rotation, sensor at this place, this track, okay, will give 8 pulses. Say 0, 1, 1 pulse from here to here. Again 0, 1 from here to here, like that 8. Now the inner track will give 4 pulses. See, from here to 0, again from here to here 1, 0, 1. So second pulse, 0, 1, third pulse, 0, 1, fourth pulse. And this will give only 2 pulses. So 0, 1, half rotation, 0, 1. And the inner one will give only 1 pulse. See, 0, 1. Okay. Now this is just only material. Don't see this the 1, 2, 3, 4. You have to see only 4 tracks in this figure. So here there is what is called as MSB and LSB. More number of pulses means it is the LSB track, and this is the MSB track. Here there is no question of LSB or MSB. Two tracks are relative to each other. One is lagging, another is leading. That will give that also with respect to direction of rotation. If you reverse the direction of rotation, the leading will become now lagging and lagging will become leading. But here it is not so. Each position has code already fixed on it. Hence, this is called as absolute encoder. Hence, you do not need here the Z, the synchronizing pulse. As soon as you start the motor, for the counting to begin, the microprocessor has to wait till it receives Z pulse. Then only it can count from that position. Say while starting the motor, sensor was here, say AB. Okay, this is somewhere other at other place. It will have to ignore till it receives Z. Suppose say you need reference in some manufacturing process, you have to start at some particular place only. Suppose say in the during manufacturing, power has gone, and when the power comes again, you don't know where to start, where to continue. So it has to wait till Z means maximum one rotation, then only it can count. But here it is not so. As soon as power comes again, immediately it can understand where it is, where it had stopped, because you know this pattern. So that is the advantage of absolute encoder. Note that this uses gray code to minimize the error between one pattern and the adjacent pattern. In this figure, it is given in the binary code only 0000, next is 0001. But actually, it will we will use gray code to minimize error. What happens is, you see, suppose a microprocessor while measuring the see this is not required for you for examination. I'm just telling you. See, from one pattern to next pattern, there is change in this bit 0 to 1, 1 to 0. This is same. Suppose a sensor measures at this junction. Now there will be error. If the measuring instant is here, exactly here, it may read 0 or 1, then there can be error. To minimize the error, we use gray code. You know that in gray code, the change in bit pattern for change in code or bit pattern, say from one count to the adjacent count is in only one bit. You have studied gray code in digital electronics. Okay, if you do not need all those things, you can forget this. Okay, so actually it uses gray code. So the summary is here number of sensors is equal to number of tracks. Each position has its own unique binary code, actually binary code. Okay, in gray code, say binary number, you will get binary number. Okay, and to measure speed, you can take output of any sensor. Okay, if you take output of this sensor, count number of pulses per second, say 0.1 second, and you have to divide by 8. See here you get 8 pulses per second. If you select this to measure speed, you have to divide by 8. Per rotation there are 8 pulses, so 8 pulses means one rotation. If you select this sensor, 4 pulses. If you select this, it is 3 pulses, sorry, 2 pulses. If you select this track output, 1 pulse. So what you had done here, you had divided by 16 here, because we had assumed this particular figure 16 patterns. Here it is 8. Here it will be 8 for both A and B. See 8. Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 for A and B. Number of pulses will be same. But here it is not so. It is absolute encoder. For LSB it will be more. 8 pulses, 4 pulses in this track, 2, 1. Thank you.